Hello everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Today I am going to make chocolate Choco Pao. This is 300 grams of all-purpose flour, and I will add 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. I am using this Eagle brand. And 1/2 teaspoon of pine salt. And 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now I will mix these dry ingredients before I add the liquid ingredients. Now I will add 3/4 cup of water, 1/1/2 and 1/1/4. The last is 1 tablespoon of soya oil. Since I have a mixer, I will use this to mix the flour mixture in order to make a dough. It should look like this. It's not glued to the mixing bowl. Can you see how it looks while mixing? Now we have a dough, and it's time to cover it with kitchen towel and let it sit for 1 hour until it rises. Let's see, after 1 hour, this is how it looks, double in size. I am putting it now in a baking pad, silicone baking pad, to mash the dough. Add some butter in it so it will not glue to this baking pad. Now I will divide it into pieces. Add some butter so it will not glue to my hands. I am pressing it and forming it into a round shape before I add the chocolate filling. The steamer is ready. The water is boiling. I am putting this parchment paper with holes or wax paper with holes and start placing this chocolate Choco Pao that I prepared, and I will steam it for 10 to 13 minutes. how it looks while steaming. After 13 minutes, it's time to remove from the steamer. Look how soft it is. It is ready for eating now.